and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Parrikar hits back at Vishwajeet after Altinho gherao on Tuesday, initiates vigilance probe into the job distribution before election, says fake letters were given to applicants. Parrikar takes on senior Rane too, prepares to file criminal case against perpetrators of SEZ scam. Rane, Louisin, Babu Kavlekar on CM's hit list. State government gives moral support to the Bandh called by the NDA. Public transport to remain unaffected. Protection to those who want to stay open. No power supply in Bardes and Pedne talukas on Thursday. Shut down from 8 in the morning to 4 in the evening. Churchill Brothers rope in Kolkata-based NVD Solar Limited as title sponsors. NVD plans to drive football forward. Churchill calls upon other companies to support football. And Dempo Sports Club on the verge of missing out of AFC Champions League. All India Football Federation has not yet made I-League a separate entity. It's just discouraging, says Srinivas Dempo. Now the news in detail. Government will conduct vigilance inquiry into the hurried recruitment in Health Department before Assembly election under the Anti-Corruption Act. Chief Minister claims that bogus offer letters were sent to candidates to lure them for votes. CM has assured to appoint only the candidates who had received offer letters before 20th December.
जर कोणे नोकऱ्यो वाटल्या जाल्यार ताजी जबाबदारी वाटणाऱ्याचेर आसा, म्हजेर ना. आनी हांव इतलेंच सांगता की तातूंत जर तूं कोणाक फटयला जाल्यार ताणें कंप्लेन लॉज करची, हांव क्रिमिनल एक्शन चालू करता. कारण काल काही भुरगे म्हजे कडेन आयले, हांवें तांचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंट्स मागले, डॉक्युमेंट कोणूच दिवपाक शकना, घरा दवरले म्हणटा. इन दॅट सर्कमस्टन्सीस दीस गव्हर्मेंट वील नॉट एक्ट. हेल्थाची पूर्ण विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी अंडर एंटी करप्शन आय एम स्टार्टिंग टुडे. बोगस सगळे हे केल्ले आसा एक्सरसायज, आनी बोगस अपॉइंटमेंट लेटरां दिल्ली आहा. कोणाक डेमोक्रेटीक रायट आसात, चीफ मिनिस्टराच्या बंगल्या फुडें उपोशणाक बसपाच्या बसा, कायदो हातान घेशी वगैरे वचूं ना. हांवें सांगलां हांगा पुलिसीक, कोणाक येता तांकां बसा, बेटे बसतले जाल्यार च्या पाणी सुद्दां दिया. फ्रॉड्स, मनी ट्रान्झॅक्शन टेक्स प्लेस अगेन्स्ट दीस अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर. आस्किंग फॉर वोट इज ऑल्सो मनी ट्रान्झॅक्शन. सो दीस अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर हॅज बीन यूज्ड फॉर ब्रायबिंग द वोटर्स, which I will not permit. So it has to go by register AD. It cannot be sent by ordinary post, because ordinary post record of date is not available. I initiated inquiry on hurried जे कितें थोडेशे भानगड केले 20 तारखेक डिसेंबराच्या, ताजेर इन्क्वायरी हांवें एंटी करप्शनाक सांगले आतां. दे वील इन्वेस्टिगेट एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, इन्क्लुडींग हाव आउट ऑफ 292 orders supposed to have been sent on 20th December, how 194 come from particular spot.
Meanwhile, aggrieved youth have begun a hunger strike outside the official residence of Chief Minister at Altinho, protesting against scrapping of jobs by the incumbent government. General Secretary of Private Bus Owners Association says Chief Minister should first conduct investigation of an illegal recruitment in the transport department.
सीएमान जॉब दिवचो ना बी असो पयलो स्टेटमेंट केला. तो मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराक तरी सोबाना, कित्याक तो सदांच सांगता की आपले सरकार जे पळय आहा ते झिरो टॉलरन्स टू करप्शन ह्याच्या प्रमाणे चलतले म्हणून. जॉब पळय जे आहा तेचे कडेन खेळ करचो न्हू. काँग्रेस पार्टीचे मनीस, बीजेपीचे मनीस अशे खेळ करचो न्हू. जे कोण प्रामाणीकपणे एप्लाय करता त्या मनशाक जर सिलेक्ट जाता, तेंचे जर सगळे डॉक्युमेंट सारखे आहा जाल्यार ते सरकारान अवश्य घेवचे. वाहतूक खात्यान पळय जे जॉब पळय घेतलेले आहा सध्या, त्याच्या बद्दल कोणूच चवकशी करिना. म्हणून मुख्यमंत्र्यान पयलीं ती चवकशी करूंक जाय, कित्याक इलिगल वाहतूक खात्यान रिक्रुटमेंट जाल्लो आहा. 14 पोस्ट एडवर्टायज करून 29 रिक्रूट केल्लेले आहा.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Government has almost decided to investigate the SEZ land scam. Formal decision would be taken during IDC's first Board of Directors meeting. Parrikar had earlier filed complaint to DGP against Pratap Singh Rani and Luisin Falero, alleging favoritism towards few while giving land for SEZ.
A individual, he may be chief minister today, but a case filed by an individual and case filed by government, does it have no difference? Let IDC put up the matter properly. That's Sangta. The decision will be taken by the board. I cannot take the decision because I am not the only decision maker in the board. But I will assure you this much, the matter will go to the first board meeting. Let board decide and then board can file the complaint. एक 6 महिन्या खातीर IDC chairman म्हणून हांवें बोर्ड जो अपॉइंट केला तातूंत हांव स्वता चेअरमॅन आसा. दॅट 36 or 34 lakh square meter of land. IDCन बऱ्यापैकी कातरबाजी करता. There is many people involved in the scams. All those will be taken for task. No one will be spared. It was an insulting letter to the state. It directly instructed the officer concerned that you stand relieved. मेरे स्टैंड उससे वेरी क्लियर कर दिया मैंने कि अगर आप डायरेक्ट लेटर भेज दोगे तो आपका कोई भी लेटर मेरे पास मत भेजो. See, if the current situation is not properly addressed by the Prime Minister or Home Minister, I am very serious in taking this aspect ahead. But it is a conditional one. If they correct it, then at this stage I don't think it is required. So I said all correspondence from Home Ministry on these issues will be correspondence non grata unless they agree to change their attitude, and though I will not call it apology, regret what they have done in that case. Surprisingly, a national media has got a copy of it. That means the Home Ministry is leaking.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
State government has morally supported the call for Bharat Bandh on Thursday. It will be an all-India Bandh against the recent steep rise in petrol price. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the government is bound to give protection to those who don't want to participate in the Bandh. Interestingly, Goa Bus Owners Association will not participate in the Bandh.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says that government would provide protection to those persons who don't want to participate in the Bandh. Goa government has welcomed the decision of NDA's call for Bharat Bandh on Wednesday against the recent steep petrol price hike.
I also totally appreciate the sentiment of those political setup and those parties which have called for the Bandh. But if someone does not want to participate, that is his choice. Government is bound to give protection. Government will protect. पण सरकाराची मालमत्ता मुद्दाम व्हरून भितर खड्ड्यान घालपाची तयारी आमची ना. त्यामुळे कदंबाक इन्स्ट्रक्शन गेल्लें आसा की ओन्ली स्केलेटन सर्विसीस दवरात. फाल्यां कोण आडकलो सांजचो बी जाल्यार ताका सोडपाक कदंबाच्यो बसी चलतल्यो. पण फोर्सान तो बंद मोडून काडूंक जाय हाज्या खातीर कदंबाक रिस्कान घालप हें सरकाराची मातूय भुमिका ना.
General Secretary of All Goa Private Bus Owners Association claims that private bus owners would not participate in the Goa Bandh. Sudeep Tamankar says that there is no need for a Goa Bandh as the BJP-led government has already reduced petrol prices.
हांगासर गोंयान तरी बंद डिक्लेअर करपाची कांय गरज ना अशें दिसता आनी त्या संदर्भान आमी बस मालक संघटना बंदाचे हितून सहभागी जावचे ना. म्हणजे सगळ्यो बसी बी चालू आसतल्यो आनी आतां मुख्यमंत्र्यान जो दोनपरां स्टेटमेंट केल्लो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान की आम आदमीक पूर्णपणे संरक्षण दितलो, ह्या स्टेटमेंटाचें आमी अभिनंदन करता मुख्यमंत्र्याचें. आनी मुख्यमंत्र्यान फाल्यां कडक पोलीस बंदोबस्त दवरचो. जे कोण समाजकंटक कितें तर बसवाल्यांक त्रास बी जायत जाल्यार सगळे सुरळीत चलपाक मुख्यमंत्र्यान जबाबदारी घेवन सगळ्यांक सहकार्य करचें अशी आमी मागणी करता.
In South Goa, around 400 police personnel will be on road, and apart from 6 IRBN platoons, ते भायर patrolling आसतलें, PCR vans, robots, robins, they will be patrolling, the area, and similarly there will be police posted at strategic points.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe and Tulsidas Chari.
5 constables of anti-narcotic cell of Goa police were arrested by CBI on Wednesday for falsely implicating David Riham alias Dudu in drugs nexus case. Constables Hirmaya Gurraya, Mahabaleshwar Sawant, Nagesh Parrikar, Samir Varkhankar and Constable Mahadev Naik have been placed under arrest.
5 constables of anti-narcotic cell of Goa police were arrested by CBI on Wednesday for falsely implicating David Riham alias Dudu in drugs nexus case. Constables Hirmaya Gurraya, Mahabaleshwar Sawant, Nagesh Parrikar, Samir Varkhankar and Constable Mahadev Naik have been placed under arrest. CBI investigations have revealed that the case was fabricated by ANC and favors were provided to Dudu while in custody. CBI had earlier arrested suspended PSI Sunil Gudlar for falsely implicating Dudu in drugs nexus case. Dudu was arrested by Goa police from Anjuna for allegedly possessing drugs worth 3.81 lakh in February 2010. A senior video journalist from Bambore, Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.